what's up? Welcome back. Today we're going over equivalent expressions. So for our first expression, I have 7x plus 8 plus x. Now, this number that's by itself, that's called a constant. That's going to stay by itself for now. But I do see two x's. Those are like terms that I can combine. So I'm going to take my 7x and my normal x and combine those. So when we see an x all by itself, there's basically a sneaky little 1 in front. So when we are adding or multiplying those together, we can consider that a 1x. 7x, now we are adding, so I'm going to continue adding, and then 1x. To do that, I'm going to add these like normal. 7 plus 1 equals 8, and then I add the x to it. So I have 8x. I cannot forget my constant. I'm just going to add that to our like term. So our new equation is 8x plus 8, and it's going to stay just like that. Let's do another one. So for our next problem, I have 8y plus 4x plus 6y. Now, I'm going to combine my like terms. I have two numbers with y in them. So I'm going to take my 8y and my 6y, and I'm going to add them. So 8y plus 6y. So 8 plus 6 is 14. And since they both have y, I'm attaching the y to it. 14y. But now I can't forget my other part of the expression, which is 4x. And again, I'm doing addition. Add that to my expression. Now this is as far as we can go because I do not know what x equals and I do not know what y equals. So this is our expression, 14y plus 4x. Now you might see expressions that look like a distributive property. Let me show you how to solve this. So for this equation, we have 4 times 7x plus 5y. I'm just going to do the distributive property in order to share the love and connect them. So share the love and prove it. So it's going to be 4 times 7x. You might also see multiplication written as a little dot now that we use x a lot for variables. So it can also look like this. Then you're going to share the love with the other number, giving us 4 times 5y. And don't forget that we need to also include the addition. That's going to connect those two. From here, I can go ahead and solve these more. 4 times 7x, I can actually just combine them. So 4 times 7 is going to be 28, and then I include the x. I bring down that plus sign, and now I solve 4 times 5, that gives me 20, and then I connect the y. So this is our final expression, 28x plus 20y. Alright, so if you like this video and found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.